Silva, your host for the evening, and let me welcome you all to Zen Asia Foundation presents Face of the Year and Designer of the Year 2017. Zen Asia Foundation has been organizing these events since 1997 with an objective to create a platform for Indian talents to showcase their skills in the domain of fashion and beauty industry and get recognized by this industry. As of now, Pan India knows that Mr. Chatur Singh Khalsa, the founder of Zen Asia Foundation, strongly believes that India has a great potential and there is talent available and need a platform to express and get recognition. It's this passion which has been instrumental in driven his cause to promote and harvest potential Indian talents in the industry of fashion designing and modeling. The opportunity and platform of Zen Asia Foundation has seen success in bringing out this talent from Tier 2 to Tier 3 cities of India. The Zen Asia Foundation presents Face of the Year and Designer of the Year and are reachable to accessible opportunities as a platform of the year of India and express and to get recognition all over the world. So before we begin, let me thank our sponsors for the evening who've made this event possible, and I've got a wonderful night in front of you all. So here we go with the sponsors. The first sponsor that we have is Divine and Luster from Surat, Ocean Maxwell from Roorkee, and the winner of the last year Vardhaman Fantasy Designer of the Year 2016, RIFD, Mrs. Sharma Ji and Shaina Ji from Meera Road, Urban Purzo by Kamal Khan. Our makeup and hair partners, Natasha Tilwani. Gifting partners, Olivia, always supports and associated with us since 1997. Himbana Beauty from Kolkata. INIFD Ghatkopar. Glam India by Geeta Tarot. Special thanks to Alka Beauty. Special thanks to Vastu Kalpa, Swati Bhatt. First time in India associated with London Alternative Fashion Week and London Fashion Magazine, that's called Equal. Our valuable well-wishers, Sapna Electronic and Beatrix by Jagdish Ji. RK Group, Rajesh Kapoor Ji from Nagpur. Our media sponsors, Free Press Journal, English Print Media Partners, Sakal, Marathi Print Media Partners, Navrashtra, Marathi Print Media Partners, Nav Bharat, Hindi Print Media Partners, Digital Media Partners, Viral Bollywood, Maha News Live, NRI News 24/7, Channel Telecast Partners, Multiplex, GTPL, Chandrakala, Magazine Partners, Equal, London Fashion Magazine, LSF World, Page 3, Fabric Partner, Designer from Surat. Grooming partners, Simon Davidson and Gurmeet Singh. Photographer partner, Nimish Photography. Choreographer by this show by Bhushan. Wow, so yes, let me introduce you all to Mr. Kamal H. Khan and his upcoming clothing brand, that's Urban Purzo. We have a privilege that Mr. Kamal H. Khan, who is being working in fashion and film industry from the last 10 years, decided to showcase his unique and stylish collection by a brand named Urban Purzo on our fashion event. Mr. Kamal H. Khan has done many movies, serials and ad films in his 10 years of career. His latest movie as a costume designer is Priyanka Chopra's production, that's Kaire Raskala. He has done movie projects like Bezubaan Ishq Ne Crazy Kiya Re, Chapekar Brothers, Ranbhoomi and many more. So let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Kamal Khan.
First of all, thank you Zen Asia Foundation for organizing such a beautiful fashion event, and I'm very much proud and confident today because Urban Purzo, this is the first fashion event of Urban Purzo.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kamal Khan. Thank you. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. So we've reached the first round. That's the introduction round. So let's know the contestants better. We've seen them. They look gorgeous. They look stunning. Absolutely fab.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Models walk, personalities talk, but I, Simran Malhotra, will walk the talk. I am a resident of the green and beautiful city, Navi Mumbai, and I'm soon going to become an educated drug dealer. Yes, a pharmacist graduating from NMIM School of Pharmacy and Technology Management. I am also a national level handball player, having represented the team of Maharashtra. And sports has taught me that just like a diamond, the more I'm cut, the more I'm sliced, and the more I'm hurt, the brighter will I shine. Having won the title of Miss Navi Mumbai 2017, here I am, contestant number 1 at Zen Asia Foundation presents Face of the Year 2017. To be beauty with strength, beauty with wisdom, beauty with an attitude, but most importantly, beauty with a purpose. Thank you.
Being messy is everybody's consistency. So stay focused now. That is Desi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Shruti Devariga, contestant number 2, 20 years old, pursuing my business management degree from Mumbai. Speaking about myself, basically, I am a Mangalorean, born and brought up in Kerala, studying in Mumbai. This shows my interest in traveling and learning new things. As the meaning of my name indicates, my heart and soul belongs to music and art, as I love playing instruments like trumpet, euphonium, guitar, and violin. I believe that life is just one. Then why just waste it by learning 1 or 2 things when you can learn limitless things? I'm also classically trained for the art of Bharatnatyam for the past 17 years. I'm a state hockey player and a professional trumpet player. I hold the title of Miss Ratna Sundari 2017 and New Face Pune. I thank Zen Asia Presents Face of the Year and Designer of the Year for giving me this opportunity to show my modeling skills as well. And tonight, help me to raise my bar for myself as I was taught to do since I was a little girl. Thank you so much.
खम्मा गनी एवरीवन, मेरा नाम गज़ल सैनी है और मैं राजाओं का स्थान राजस्थान जयपुर से आई हूँ और सभी को मेरा खम्मा गनी वापस। और सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी ज़ेन एशिया फाउंडेशन प्रेजेंट्स फेस ऑफ द ईयर डिज़ाइनर ऑफ द ईयर 2017। मॉडलिंग मेरा पहला प्यार है और एक्टिंग मेरा जुनून, इसलिए मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं भारत का और अपने परिवार का गौरव बनना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
Good evening, Mumbai. I'm Amy Zohar, contestant number 4. I'm from the city of Thalaiva, Chennai. Borrowing the athletic regime from my mother, I have been a district-level athlete, winning 1 gold and 2 silvers, bringing them home. Apart from that, I'm also a horse rider and a trekker. Well, don't judge me by my high heels, because I also like to wear sneakers and explore the mountains. And now here I am in Mumbai to pursue my dream of becoming a successful fashion designer. Well, I don't want to be a designer who is walking just beside her showstopper, but I dream of being my showstopper of my own couture. And I believe it would be successful one day. So all you beautiful people over here and all my young ladies beside me, let's have fun tonight and make memories. Thank you.
Good evening to all the honorable judges and my lovely audience. I am Archana Chauhan, contestant number 5, welcomes you all to Zen Asia Foundation's presents Face of the Year, Designer of the Year 2017. I basically belongs to Bhakti or Shakti ki Nagri, that is Chittorgarh. I am born and brought up in the heart of the nation, which is also famous for oranges, that is Nagpur. I have completed my MBA from the nightclub city, Pune. Now I am placed in the dream city, Mumbai, to fulfill my dreams and show off my skills and gratitude towards my passion, my career, my love, my life, modeling and acting. आज 100 में है, कल चर्चा हजारों में होगी. नाम लोगों के दिलो दिमाग पे है, कल फोटो अखबारों में होगी. इसीलिए कह रही हूँ मेरे दोस्तों, पंगे लेना गोली की रफ्तार से, पर कभी मत टकराना राजपूत की तलवार से. Thank you.
iPhone 7, 60,000 rupees. Mercedes Benz, 60 lakh rupees. But the title of Face of the Year 2017, priceless. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected jury members. I am Pragyata Sharan, contestant number 6. Being an army brat, I am state level skater and district level athlete. I also have my contribution in teaching disabled children at several NGOs. I believe in owing the crown of confidence and the attire of positiveness throughout my life. There sits my support system, my parents, who have taught me the principles of being kind and humble and made me a strong believer of feminism. I serve my humble gratitude to entire team of Zen Asia Foundation for giving me this overwhelming opportunity of living this legacy. To stay true self, embrace my happiness, and foray my voice to the masses is why I walk here today. Thank you so much. May you enjoy the evening.
20 years ago, a girl was born in Mumbai, unaware of the circumstances and reality of this world, having dream to achieve something. Hello everyone, I am Lakshmi Kushwaha. And yes, that girl is me. Firstly, I would like to thank Zen Asia Foundation presents Face of the Year, Designer of the Year 2017 for giving me such a beautiful opportunity to stand in front of you. So here I am standing before you, contestant number 7. Talking about my educational qualification, I am currently pursuing my last year degree from Messiah's College, Nerul. I am kind, passionate and an ambivert kind of a person. I love dancing and I am very much passionate about acting and modeling. I believe in one quote that beauty attracts the eye, but it's a personality that captures the heart. Thank you.
Hello, good evening to all. I'm Kate K. Deshpande, contestant number 8. I'm pursuing graduation in final year. I'm from Orange City, Nagpur. First of all, I would like to thank Zen Asia Foundation presents Face of the Year, Designer of the Year 2017, as it gives chance to prove myself and achieve success. And secondly, thanks to my friend, only because of her I came to know about this audition. And I can be a part of this show. Talking about myself, I am very passionate about acting and modeling. And music is my life. In my leisure time, I love listening to music. Apart from that, I also love adventures and sport. I'm a kind of girl who lives in today and lives every and each moment of life. I'm a very positive person who finds happiness in each little things of life. जिंदगी तो एक ही बार मिलती है यार, खुल के जिया जाए. So मैं खुल के जीती हूँ. So therefore here I am. It's just wonderful opportunities. Thank you.
Good evening and Sat Shri Akal to all. First of all, I am thankful to Zen Asia Foundation and Mr. Chatur Singh Khalsa for giving the wonderful opportunity to participate in the Face of the Year 2017. I am Simran from Punjab. I am here to spread love and happiness. Thank you.
Hi, contestant number 10. Himanshi thanks Zen Asia Foundations and especially RK Sir for being a stepping stone in my career. A part of snow is a literal meaning of my name Himanshi, which truly defines me. I am a beauty with leadership qualities and subtleness. Pursuing interior designing from LAD College, Nagpur, and desire is to get recognized all over. Apart from this, dancing and acting is my passion. Radiance is my asset and smile is my reflection. What I believe is, don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bhavna Lalwani and I'm 19 years old. I never dream for success. I always work for it. So I'm feeling so happy and excited so that I get this amazing platform. From the childhood, it was my dream to grab a princess crown, do modeling and photo shoots. So I'm here to grab the winner crown and the winner title of Zen Asia Foundation Face of the Year 2017. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the show.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divya Kotian and I'm from Kalyan. Feeling very blessed to have here at this platform one of the most beautiful pageant in Mumbai. Thank you, sir.
A girl with a dream, a girl with a pride, a girl with a passion which wakes her all night. A girl who dreams that one day her all dreams will come true. And at this moment, she can proudly say she's too close to her dream. Hi everyone, this is Lalita Rajadudani, contestant number 19 from our dearest city, Mumbai. It's always said that God resides in heart. True enough. And I believe a place where God resides can't be wrong. So I take most of the decision with my heart. I really love to express my feelings. It's good to express your feelings, but if you do in a different way, that's a magical way, for me, it's dance and art. I'm basically pursuing first year of commercial art. I really love doing art and modeling side by side. Talking about me makes me more confident enough. I really believe staying positive is more worthy than being beautiful. If you're positive enough, no negativity can distract you. If you are positive, I believe you should make other person positive with your beautiful smile. So this is Lalita Dudani signing off with the last message. Keep smiling and make other positive. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Sanjana Deshmukh. To play to win is a sin. To learn means you definitely win. I, Ms. Sanjana Deshmukh, contestant number 11, is here for presenting this astonishing event presented by Zen Asia Foundation, Face of the Year, Designer of the Year 2017. I'm here to trend, to be a trend, because I think whatever you do, whatever you say, if it's trending, you're here to stay. Yes, by education, I'm a software engineer, and by career, I'm a Kathak dancer. I'm a professional dancer, and soon I'll become an aerial artist too. Thank you so much.
She woke up in the morning and saw herself in the mirror. She saw a young girl with full of confidence, zeal, and zest. She had the whole universe on her shoulders, but made it look like a pair of wings because she sees possibilities everywhere. Namaste Mumbai, good evening ladies and gentlemen. I am Lindsay Thomas, contestant number 12, representing God's own country, Kerala. I'm a graduate in Bachelor in Management Studies and currently working as a General Manager's Assistant at the Oberoi, Mumbai. Determination is one thing that defines me the most because I have a beautiful family behind me. I can see a spark in their eyes growing each day, which gives me the confidence to go on in my life and work even more harder. My biggest dream is to represent South India wherever I go and make my country proud and say that, yes, she's my daughter. Lastly, it is a proud moment to stand here tonight and participate in Zen Asia Presents Face of the Year and Design of the Year 2017. I feel this is a very proud moment and an important part in achieving my goal. I want to thank Zen Asia Foundation for giving me this opportunity and confidence to stand in front of these beautiful ladies. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful evening.
Namaste, Mumbai. I am Aishwarya Srivastava, participant number 13 of Zen Asia Present Face of the Year, Designer of the Year 2017. Well, I am a business management student from the city of Oranges, that is Nagpur. Well, at the end, I want to say that everyone here is dreaming to achieve crowns, but I am striving here to achieve it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm contestant number 14, Vivneet Kaur, born and raised in Chandigarh. Sat Shri Akal, because I'm from Chandigarh, I'm Punjabi. I have done BSc Fashion Designing from INIFD, Chandigarh. Currently pursuing my BCom from Karnataka University. I am participating as a designer also, I want to inform that. And I would like to thank Zen Asia Foundation to giving me such a beautiful platform. And I would like to tell that I love to take challenges. My ethic is I never neglect an opportunity to make myself improved. So I would like to thank Zen Asia Foundation for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. That's all about me. Thank you.
Good evening, Mumbai. I am contestant number 15, Neha Yadav, born and raised in India. I love to be happy as I am a very jovial and hard person. I have done my BSc Fashion Designing from Chandigarh and I am now pursuing my BA English Honours from Punjab University. I just love to do whatever I can do to make others happy, no matter what it is. Thank you, and I would like to thank Zen Asia Foundation for giving me such a wonderful platform to show and find my hidden talent. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. I am Monica Bisain, contestant number 16. I believe that my flaws and my mistakes, that makes me pride because they are the building blocks of my beauty and strength. Being a software engineer, I always believe, love yourself, stay positive, because beauty comes from the inside. Thank you.
Namaste, one and all. A mixture of sugar and spice, that is me, Krupa Kamble. I come from the cool city, Chandrapur. As Lord Buddha once said, that one candle can enlighten 1,000 of the candles. So let me be the positivity around to be positive around and to lighten up all the hearts and to be the interpreter of the goodness and to be the interpreter of achievement and success. I am an observer and believer and achiever. I had currently won Campus Princess Pune and my huge achievement goes to Miss India Nagpur finalist. So here I am to compete with everyone. Have a good evening. Thank you.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। समझने लगे हैं मीठे लफ्ज़ों की कड़वाहटें, समझने लगे हैं मीठे लफ्ज़ों की कड़वाहटें, कुछ इस कदर जिंदगी का तजुर्बा हो रहा है। This is me, Arundhati Dahat. Life is rough, so beat up, and I'm very tough to handle. Basically, I'm a Kathak dancer and sketcher. I just completed my fashion designing from INFD Nagpur. I am a very challenge-loving person. स्पेशली दोज चैलेंजेस जो लोग सोचते हैं मैं नहीं कर पाऊँ एंड लिटिल स्पाइसी लिटिल स्वीट इंटरेस्टिंग बट डिफ़िकल्ट टू हैंडल already I headlight this word difficult to handle. This is me, Arundhati Dahat. Shukriya.